name is Dr. RATHINA. So, in this lecture series, next we are going to see one case study. The students of third year computer science students will explain the case study one by one. So, before they are going to explain, I am going to give a short introduction on the AI agent. So, AI agent in general, it perceives the environment, process the informations, and to achieve the specific goals based on that request. A simple example, a chatbot. So we give the input. For an example, chatbot receive the input from the users and process it and response it based on the given input. In general, AI agent, the next advanced level is an autonomous AI agent. How AI agent is different from an autonomous AI agent is, whereas AI agent is works on, it is a rules based. For an example, everything is a predefined. So the complexity wise, it is a moderate level, and everything is works based on the rules. Whereas autonomous AI agent, it is completely self-dependent. One simple example is a self-driving cars. Sometimes it takes the action, and sometimes it gives the response automatically. So without the human intervention. So these are all the basic difference between AI agent and autonomous AI agent. Now the students will explain one simple case study. So based on this AI agent, time.
Hello everyone, I'm Shweta from 3rd CSEC. Consider a case study of a smart assistant powered by agentic AI. A user gives a simple request, plan a 3-day trip to Goa within my budget. Now, instead of just giving suggestion, the AI agent actually asks to complete the task. This is where tools become essential. The agent first understand the request and then start using different tools. For example, it uses a search API to find flights, a hotel booking API to check available rooms, and a map tool to identify tourist attraction. Without these tools, the AIs would only give general suggestions, but with the tool, it gives real-time accurate and actionable result. In this case, tools act as a bridge between the AI and the real world. They all allow the agent to fetch live data, interact with systems, and perform actions. The AI is no longer limited to training data. Instead, it become an intelligent assistant capable of solving real problems. So, in this travel assistant case, tool are foundation that enables the AI to move from simple answering question to actual planning and execution of a complete trip. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shamita Sri from 3rd CSEC. I'm here to talk about tool selection in this case study. In the same travel assistant case study, another important concept is tool selection. The AI agent does not randomly use tools, it carefully decides which tool is needed to each step. For example, when the user asks for budget friendly flights, the agent selects a flight search API. When accommodation is required, it switches to a hotel booking tool. If the user asks for nearby attraction, it uses a maps or location based service. The decision making process is dynamic. The agent continuously analyzes the user's request and chooses the most suitable tool. It behaves like a human travel planner who selects the right resource for each task. Also, the agent evaluates the output of each tool. Tool selection ensures efficiency, accuracy, and personalization. It allows the AI to adapt based on user preferences and constraints, making the system more intelligent and reliable. If hotels are unavailable, it tries alternative options. This creates a loop of thinking, acting, and improving results. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Soundria from 3rd year CSE and I'm here to tell about tool chaining and multi-step execution. Now let's look on at how the agent completes the full task using tool chaining. Planning a trip is not a single step problem. It involves multiple steps that must be executed in order. First, the agent searches for flights using one tool. Next, it checks hotel availability using another tool. Then it finds popular tourist spots and creates an itinerary using a maps tool. Finally, it may calculate the total cost using a calculator tool. Each of these steps depend on the previous one. The agent connects all these tools together in a sequence which is called tool chaining. This allows the AI to handle complex workflows efficiently. For example, if the total cost exceeds the user's budget, the agent can go back and adjust flight or hotel options. The process is not a linear but adaptive. In real world applications, this kind of multi step execution is very useful. It can be applied in e commerce, healthcare, and customer support systems. In our travel assistant case, tool chaining enables the AI to deliver a complete end to end solution instead of partial answers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Purni from third year CACC. Finally, in this case study, tools play a major role in ensuring accuracy and reliability. Since the agent uses real-time APIs, the information about flights, hotels, and prices is up to date. This reduces errors and avoids outdated suggestions. Tools also help reduce hallucinations. Instead of guessing, the AI relies on verified data sources. This increases user trust and improves the overall experience. However, there are also challenges. For example, what if a tool fails or returns incorrect data? The agent must be designed to handle such situations by retrying or switching to another tool. Security is also important, especially when dealing with user data like payment details. Despite these challenges, tools are what make agentic AI truly powerful. In this travel assistant example, they transform the AI from a simple chatbot into an intelligent system that can plan, decide, and act. So, the case study clearly shows the tools are not just a feature, they are the core component that enables agentic AI to function effectively in the real world scenarios. Thank you.